if you are going to search for old-fashioned porn star on the internet, don't do it on your work computer. Ugh, so much hair. G'day cocktail lovers, I hope you've been keeping well and I hope you're ready for another old-fashioned. Today you can join me as I conduct an experiment to see if I can capture the essence of a Porn Star Martini in an old-fashioned. But would an old-fashioned porn star actually work? Well, come along with me and let's find out together. For me, one of the mysteries of the cocktail world is, why is the Porn Star Martini so popular? It is literally one of the most popular cocktails in the world. Admittedly, it isn't terrible, but it isn't exceptional either. It seems like a classic example of marketing winning out over substance. It sounds sexy and fun. Everyone wants to be sexy and fun, so they order one. They drink it. It's not terrible, so they have another one, and it becomes the most popular cocktail in the world. I have already made several videos where I improve the Porn Star Martini. This is not difficult. I'll tell you what the tip is. Use literally any spirit other than vodka and you're going to come up with a cocktail with a more interesting taste. If we're going to do this, first we have to deconstruct the flavors of the Porn Star Martini, which is honestly not that difficult. It goes vanilla vodka, vanilla sugar, passion fruit, and lime juice. Like I said, this is not a sophisticated drink. The first decision to make is what base spirit will be in the old-fashioned. Technically, you could make a vodka old-fashioned. Technically, you could punch a baby if you wanted to, but decent people would shun you afterwards, the same as if you made a vodka old-fashioned. I've decided to go with a split base. I'm going to use Licor 43, which is a vanilla liqueur from Spain. That's going to give us the vanilla flavors that are typical of the Porn Star Martini. Now, Licor 43, it's about 30% ABV, which is a bit light for an old-fashioned. So the other half of the split base, I'm going to do a white Rhum Agricole from Martini. That's 55% alcohol by volume, and the two of them put together, you've got a base that's about the same strength as vodka would be. To bring in both the passion fruit flavour for the Porn Star Martini and the sweetener that you would have in an old-fashioned, I'm going to bring in some passion fruit liqueur. The final touch will be a couple of dashes of lime bitters. Now, if you don't have lime bitters, you could substitute another fruit-based bitters, say orange bitters, and put a lime twist in the drink to cover that lime element that's in a Porn Star Martini. If you like the sound of that, or you're at least intrigued, now would be a good time to do thumbs up as a reward for the creativity. And if the creativity is not enough, how about this helpful warning? When I was looking for what would I use for a thumbnail on this, I decided to do a bit of searching online. The big tip is, if you are going to search for old-fashioned porn star on the internet, don't do it on your work computer. Ugh, so much hair. Also, if you're not already subscribed to the channel, it would be great if you did, and hit the notification bell so you know when I upload my next video. But in the meantime, let's make this cocktail. We're doing equal amounts for the split base, so I'm going to start with 1 ounce or 30 mils of Rhum Agricole. To that, we're going to add the same amount, 1 ounce or 30 mils of Licor 43. Now we'll get a bit of colour and a bit of sweetness by adding half an ounce or 15 mils of passion fruit liqueur. The final touch is 2 dashes of lime bitters. This is a simple enough drink. You could build it straight in the glass, but I am going to put it in a mixing glass with ice and stir it to get the right dilution and chill the drink. My recommendation is you want to stir this for around 20 to 25 seconds. When we've finished stirring, want to pour that into a rocks glass over a nice big chunk of ice, and if you've got some sexy clear ice, it's going to look that much better. And if you want to know how to make sexy clear ice, particularly if you're on a limited budget and have limited freezer space, at the end of this video there will be a link to a tutorial where I show you the easiest way to make clear ice at home. But does it taste like a Porn Star Martini? Oh, no, it tastes better. It has actual character. Remember, friends don't let friends waste their time with vodka cocktails. Whether or not you try your hand at making an old-fashioned Porn Star, I hope you enjoy what you're drinking. I'm a firm believer in a recipe should be a starting point, not a destination. Don't feel constrained. Try something new. You might be surprised pleasantly at what comes out. Either way, I do hope in the meantime you look after yourselves, look after people around you, and until I see you again, cheers.